Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to sign in Apple ID in your iPhone device and you are having this type of problem, too many codes sent, enter the last code you received or try again later. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this issue while signing in the Apple ID in your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. So first of all, here you need to tap on OK. Here you can see that when I try to sign in my Apple ID, it will ask me for. So I will face that problem. So here when I try to enter my Gmail account, so after that here I'm going to enter my Apple ID password. So here you can see that I'm facing this type of problem while entering the Apple ID in my iPhone device. Too many codes sent, enter the last code you received. To how you can easily fix this problem. Here tap on OK. Then after that here you will need to tap on did not receive a code here. Then after that you will see this interface here. You will need to tap on cannot use this number. So after that here you will have to tap on start account recovery here. Then after that here you will need to enter your mobile phone number. So after that tap on continue. Then after that you will see this interface here. You will have to scroll down, then tap on continue anyway. So after that here it will send a 6-digit code to your Gmail account, then tap on send code. So after that here you will have to minimize this. Then after that here you will need to open your Gmail account. So after that here you need to enter your new mobile phone number. Then tap on continue. So after that it will send a 6-digit code to your this mobile phone number. Then after that here you need to enter that code here. Then after that this will be your new recovery mobile phone number. Then after that you will be able to sign in Apple ID in your iPhone or iPad device. So in this way you can easily fix this problem if having this issue while signing in the Apple ID in your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.